find or request an ebook, you have to log into the San Diego County Library homepage. Then you will either go to the I want to find section to see check out my account or renew, or you'll go to the e-library where you see ebooks and audiobooks. You click that link, then you'll get to Libby by Overdrive, which you will also click, and it takes you to a whole different page that's all for ebook materials. See? All of these books are ebooks. After that, you will need to sign in. You'll click the sign in button. If you don't have a library card, you can get one with a mobile number. All you have to do is type your number in. They'll send you a verification code. Then you type in that verification code that was sent to your phone. Click the verify button. Give them some of your information, like your name, your last name, and you don't have to give them your email address, but you could. You have to be 13 years or older. Now you can look at the collection. So this is where your account would be. You'll see you'll have loans, holds, wish lists, settings. We're also going to go to the search button so we can look for a specific book. You type it in here. We're going to look for Sith. Click the search button. You'll see there are different books listed. Looks like it's a series. You'll click on the book you're looking for if it's there. This will give you access to a lot of information about that book. You can look at a sample of the book. You'll be able to see the details about the book, who created it, the ISBN numbers. You'll even have some reviews. You see Kirkus reviews there. You'll even have some more suggestions at the bottom. You can add it to your wish list. You can remove it from your wish list. And then you can place a hold by clicking that button. To do the hold, they need your email address. So this is where it would have come in handy to have it already in the system, but you can always add it here. Once the book is available, they'll let you know. So you'll be next in line to get that book. See, you're number 19 out of 13 copies available. They also suggest other books similar to the book you're looking at. From here, we're going to look at borrowing a book. Let's check out See Witches. We'll click. Again, all the information about the book is on this main page. And you just click the borrow button. You can see how many days you want to borrow it for. I selected the longest. You click borrow. Then these are your options for how you can read this book. With Kindle, in the browser, you can download it. And at the top, you see how long you can borrow it until July 15th. But now we're going to try to return it. We've clicked on it. We see this is in our loan section. All you have to do is click the return button. Now we don't have anything checked out. We don't have anything in our wish list, but we still have Sith on hold. We can freeze or suspend the hold or remove the hold. Let's remove the hold. Now we don't have anything on hold. From here, you can sign out or you can look at more books that you're interested in. They have a variety on the home page, or you can search up more books that are particular to you. But this is how you can check out a book or put a hold on an ebook.